Welcome, welcome, welcome. Are you looking to leave your corporate job? Are you a part of the great resignation? Are you looking to retire early? Has the trauma of the past 2 years have you rethinking what you'd like to do with the next phase of your life? You don't have a business on the side, but you are interested in starting one. Perhaps you have your own business in addition to your regular job, but you are looking to grow it. Or do you simply just want to earn some extra income on the side? Well, if the answer to one or more of these questions is yes, then you are in the right place. My name is Kathy E. Smith, also known as Resource Rita. I am a social media expert and online marketing consultant for the past 10 years, and I advise business owners how to leverage the power of the internet to capture, connect, and convert their ideal customer or client by being on the right platform, in front of the right audience, with the right tools and systems. So, this is needed in order to save time, effort, and money by spending it on the right things to get your customer or client through the sales process faster. I am hosting a 12-week after work entrepreneur accelerator program beginning April 11th. I'm so confident in my accelerator program that I'm offering a 30-day money back guarantee. If you show up, complete the assignments, I will give you your money back. If you complete the first 4 weeks and do not feel that the objectives of the program have met the needs of your particular business, I will refund your money, no questions asked. That's how confident I am. So be sure to connect with me, send me a DM, click the link in the bio, depending on what platform you're on. And I hope to have a conversation with you about growing or expanding your business online.